Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn about how to draw an image with respect to concave lens and convex lenses, also with respect to concave mirror and convex mirror. We will start with mirror first. So image formed by concave mirror. Practically how to draw on the paper image formed by the concave mirror. So first of all we are going to start, as I told you, we are going to take the measurements and draw these images. Fine. First of all we are going to take 10 centimeters. So for we will suppose to draw a mirror at 10 centimeter. Doing that we have to measure it, this as here as 0. So take this point as 0, take this f as 5 and 10 as, so here what you got is 2f as a radius of curvature as 10 centimeters. So we are going to draw this as 10 centimeter first of all. So this is our principal axis. This line is our principal axis. This is our center of curvature, that is C. This should be F, and here our mirror should be there. So we are going to take a rounder, put this rounder on here, put it up till 10 centimeter up till here, measure this from center of curvature to this rounder and make this point work on this particular point and draw a mirror. So 3 lines above and 3 lines below, 3 lines above and 3 lines below, your mirror is ready here. So perfectly you are going to have your mirror as an concave mirror, put dash dash, so one must understand that your mirror is a concave mirror. This dash portion shows the dull surface regarding the mirror side. So here you are having this as pole as P, this point as pole as P, and you are having your mirror. Fine. Suppose if you are going to draw an object placed beyond C, so we are going to place this object beyond C 2 lines above. So making it perpendicular, here make a mark, see that this marks matches with respect to here, and draw a straight line of 2 lines above. Draw a ray passing and reaching to this point here. So this is, as you are saying, a ray is passing towards the mirror and it passes from focal length. So passing from focal length. So make this point darker and this also. So we match it up. So this line is passing through focal length, right? So you are able to see this line is passing through focal length and passing from here. Make it slightly ahead so we do not fall short for this particular line. Fine. So this line is passing here. This is a passing from focal length. Second ray you are going to draw passing from focal length here. So you are going to draw a ray which is passing from focal length. So here is the ray which is passing from focal length. Reaching to the mirror here, and see to it that the line passes into the straight portion. So a line should pass exactly parallel to the other lines, so that it does not mismatch any way out, and it crosses. So this is a ray which is passing from here, and after striking the mirror it passes through here. Wherever these two lines are crossing, this particular point, as you are seeing here, this point here, you are getting an image. So sorry, slightly back side. So this is your A and B as an object. Here you get as an A dash and B dash as an another object. So this is your object A, B and image as A dash and B dash. So you are getting between F and 2F, that is C, as center of curvature. So you are getting you are keeping an object beyond C. So as we are writing position of object. So here the position of object is beyond C, that is center of curvature, and position of image. So position of image you are having it at, that is between C and F, right? Then nature. So nature of an image is real and inverted. And size, so size of an image is diminished. Smaller than actual size of an object. You are seeing the size of an object is of 2 lines. Here image you are seeing it is not of completely 2 lines, it is 1.5 lines, and you are able to see that it is smaller than an original one. So this is how you are supposed to draw. Make it a perfection in making it this as 5 centimeter, make this as an 10 centimeter, right, and draw an arc running from this particular point P, right. So you will have a perfect mirror, and this perfect mirror is going to give and draw lines accordingly which are parallel to the principal axis. So you will get a perfect image and object where you will draw 100 times also you will get an same size, same structure again and again. So you will not have any mistakes in your exam point of view also. Fine. We are going to start with another is an image formed by convex mirror. Image formed by convex mirror. In this particular, here we are going to draw in the same manner, but the thing is that we are going to have the focal length and center of curvature on either side. So for having this, we are going to draw in the same manner, but the focus is going to change. On the other side, we are going to have the 10 centimeter as center of curvature on the back side. So first of all, we are going to draw a line and then write it down. So draw first of all a straight line, make it sure that the lines go straight. I have a less space to draw here. Fine, mark it up here as 10 centimeter, mark something here as, so you will keep it at 10. So here we will have center of curvature here. So this 0 should be our mirror. This fine is focal length, 5 as in focal length. Fine. So this is our focal length. So we are going to draw a mirror on this side, and on other side we are going to have another 5 centimeter as focus on other side also. This is your focal length. And beyond this. Fine. So we will draw first of all. So this is our focus here, and this is our center of curvature, and we are going to draw in the same manner from center of curvature. Here we are going to keep a center of curvature, and here it should be our mirror, because we are this time going to draw 3 lines above, 3 times below, and the mirror is on the other side now. Actually mirror is on this side now. So here the zigzag portion, that is the rough portion, is going to be here, because the mirror is on the left hand side, right. So parallel rays which are coming from so we are going to take and draw a straight line slightly further, right, and draw a object, place these 2 lines here, this pinkish line. So this is our object that we have kept. Fine. So this is our object that we have kept it here, and we will draw a straight line, same fashion. First line, draw a straight line, and the same line is going to pass through focus, but in a dotted portion. Don't draw a line roughly going on that side, it should pass to a focus, the ray which is getting diverged should pass. So make it dark so that it passes from here, right? This is our 2 points from which it is going to pass. These are the 2 points. So this is our actual point from this focus point. So this is our line which is getting diverged. So make it a dash dash formation on the back side. Fine. So this is a dash dash portion, shows that the line is passing, but actually a ray is coming from this side. It is coming on this side, striking to the mirror and going back away from the mirror. That is diverging basically. So this is diverging from here, right? And we are drawing an arrow on the back side. Now doing furthermore, it should pass through the center of curvature. It should pass through a center of curvature. Another line which should pass through a center of curvature. So we need a larger scale to draw it. Now we will try from this particular thing that this should pass. Yes, so we are going to draw this from a larger scale. A line should pass from this particular point to the center of curvature. So this is the center of curvature here, and a line should pass from a center of curvature to this object. So we need to draw a line in a dash formation on the back side of the mirror, and in front side of the mirror the arrow is going to pass on the straight one. And on the back side we are going to draw into the back dash fashion. Fine, so this is how it is passing. So basically a ray is passing from the center of curvature here, and it is reversing back on the same direction. Always on the center of curvature it reverses on the same direction. So as it is going on the direction, it is reversing back on the same direction. Here it is a point where they are getting the dash portions are getting connected, right? So this are getting intersect with respect to each other. These two rays are getting intersect here. So this intersection point is an image. So we will need to draw straight from here and make it a mark, and here it is an image. So this is A and B here, and this is A dash and B dash here. Fine. So this is a focus, and this is how you need to draw. So I hope so you understood. You are supposed to take 5 centimeter as focus and 10 centimeter here from 0 taking. Draw an arc which is going to be an exact mirror. Place an object on the other side of it, which is should be in the front of the mirror. One ray should always pass through, go in a straight line, and the diverging or converging ray should pass through focus. After passing through focus, the back side line should be drawn in dash portion, and another ray which is passing at the center of curvature should be drawn, but the back side of the mirror should be in the dash condition. So this kind of an image is formed. So you are going to write down here position, again the same way, position of object. Here the position of object is between infinity and pole, so not defined, between infinity and pole. It should be at infinity and pole here. Then position of image. So position of image where we are getting it is between pole, that is P, and F. It's between P and F. This is here is point P here, and this is at between P and F. Nature of an image. Nature of image is virtual and erect, and size. So size of an image is diminished. You are able to see this is of two lines that we have taken it, and here the image is not of complete one line also. Fine. So it is diminished and erect, like it was in case of concave, it was inverted and real and inverted. So why it is real, and whenever you are going to obtain the image on the screen, that is called as a real image, and here real and inverted is obtained. Here you are getting an image on the back side of the screen, not on the front of the mirror, so it is always virtual and it is in the erect condition. That means it will be a diminished image, diminished size of an image which is obtained here. Fine. Here also if you see, again we are revising, the ray is passing on the straight, passing through focus. The second ray is passing from the focus and make it straight parallel to the line. So wherever the intersection is obtained, no need to draw here as a dashed lines because this is a real image. So we get it on the screen. So the rays should be on the form that is should be on complete lines. Fine. So this is how we need to draw images of the concave and convex mirrors. Rest of also you take it the same way, that is 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters, and draw in the same fashion. So you will get all the images on the correct way. Fine. Thank you for today.